Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error, that is module not found error, no module name, MLflow. So what do you mean by MLflow? MLflow is a platform to manage, track and deploy machine learning models. And what are the uses? Like experiment tracking, model version control, deployment management, collaboration in ML teams, pipeline management. So those are the uses of MLflow and how to install a particular library. In that video, we will check it out. So I have just import that library in the main.py file and got error. So let me run that code. Python space main.py, then enter. So see, module not found error, no module name, MLflow. So we have to install a particular library. So first you have to check that Python is installed in that system or not. For that you have just press Windows key and then write control panel and click on the control panel and uninstall a program. So see, Python 3.10 is already there with the 64-bit version. And you can also check by one more way. You have to just write Python hyphen version, then enter. So see, Python 3.10 is already there. You have to just install that library. For that you have to write pip install MLflow, then enter. Now it is downloading the library. It will be around 10.5 MB. After downloading the library, then you have to check the version. So just write pip show and MLflow. Then it will show the version as well. And if you're working on any of the project and got any error, then you can directly share the screenshot of error in my WhatsApp number. I will share the WhatsApp number in the video description. Let them install. Okay, it is collecting the libraries. Alembic, MLflow, Graphens, Waitress, UI. It will installing the related libraries. It will take around 2 minutes to download all those libraries. So let them install. And if you are a computer science student and want to develop any Python projects or any other domain project, then we have prepared a complete project list. Let me open that list. And if you want that particular list, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp to this number and I will share that list. Okay, we are developing projects on demand in the Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, robotics, Arduino based, and other domains. Let's scroll down. Those are the machine learning projects. We have prepared a list in multiple technologies like deep learning, AI, data analytics, data science, image processing, NLP, OpenCV, management system, Java, Android app, cybersecurity, IoT, and many more. So if you want that particular list, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will share that particular list. Now let's open the terminal. Now it installed the library. So we have to check the version. Pip show MLflow. Then enter. Then you can check the version as well. Let's scroll up. So it will show the version 3.11.1 and the summary. MLflow is an open source platform for the complete machine learning lifecycle. So this is the complete installation process. And let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.